So it was nice to meet up with my daughter to go shopping at the thrift store. It's been a while, and we headed straight to the back area after we looked at a few clothes. And I'm just checking out the vases here. And I probably should have looked at that cobalt blue one because I haven't seen one of those for a while, but I was distracted. So there wasn't really much here in the back, actually in the whole store. She shows me this piece, and I'm not sure what it was for. There were two of them, and it looks like it hung on the wall, but it wasn't like to hold pictures or anything. Those were just like not strong enough to hold anything. It's not like a shelf thing. And I saw this, and I thought that was super cute, so I put that in the cart. And there were some other neat things, like this would be cute for a desk if you had a huge desk or area for it for organization. Even a craft room, that wood piece would be cute in. So then my daughter saw this Christmas tree drink dispenser, but it's plastic, and I didn't want it because it was plastic. And then just kind of zoomed through. If you know me, I don't go a lot through the plastics. I just, if I see something neat, I'll pick it up, but usually don't search through it. And then waiting our turn on the metal, and we didn't get footage of it. But then we went out here to the lamps, and they did have some pretty neat lamps here. I was surprised at how cool they were. And my daughter picked this one up, and I almost bought it. It's ceramic, and it has the blue flowers on it. It was so pretty. And I was going to get it with another shade, but then I decided not to get it. This was really super cute, but it was in kind of rough shape, and I wasn't sure if it even worked, but it was cute, and I was trying to get you some footage of some of the pieces that were there. If you're new here, I just want to take a moment to share with you that I do a lot of Thrift With Me videos where I collect things for my Etsy shop, as well as thrift flips and DIYs. Those are my favorite. I love doing DIYs, and I hope you do too. So if you do, make sure to subscribe. So we're over in the frames department and the small pictures, and there were some cute little pictures of the deer there and things, and I thought that was cute. And I'm still trying to find some ornate type vintage frames, and I just can't find any, but I thought that was pretty cute. I should have looked that one up, but I didn't. Then I came across this picture. I thought it was really neat. The feathers were all real feathers from real birds, and someone had, I don't know if it was homemade or not. It didn't look homemade. It looked like a manufacturer made it. But then I found another one that was similar, and they were really cute, but they weren't selling for very much, and so I don't want them for my own home, and I ended up putting those back. So here in the other metal section inside of the store, and coming across a few things here and there, I thought that was cute. And then looking at it closer here with a cute little dove on it. And they didn't have, again, they didn't have very much exciting things in this store this time. So it was kind of a bummer, but I still ended up spending a lot on clothing. They did have a lot of good clothes, that's for sure. So then over in the wood section, and that looks like a craft box for a kid. And they always have little signs, of course, and a maraca. And I shook it. And if there were two, they usually sell for anywhere from $15 to $20 for the pair, but not just a single maraca. And just kind of skimming through and seeing what they've got. Now, I'm not sure what that was, so if you know what that was for, let me know. And my daughter found that cute coaster. It was only one, and I thought, well, what good is one? So I put that down. And then later she found the box, but she saw this one first and asked me about it. And this is really super cute, but we have machines that we could possibly make something similar, so we're like, never mind. Now let me know what you think of this, this is for. Now it looks maybe Hawaiian, I'm not sure, or what nationality that would be for. I kind of tried to look it up, but I couldn't find anything on it. It looked pretty interesting. See, here's the set she found. It has the placemats and the coasters, so I put that with it. But when looking that up, it wasn't worth more than, I think, $12, and I think they wanted $4 for it. Those were kind of cute for a bright kitchen. The bowls, not the placemats. Not a lot of D for my daughter. Not a lot of cute baskets this go around. And again, it was, kind of skimpy throughout the store. It was like they're cleaning out all of the stuff and throwing it out. And it was super crowded. And I'm not sure what those baskets were for. So then just looking in the glassware, that was a cute green vase there. And I collect these, but I have so many of them that I ended up just leaving them. I was debating on taking them. But this time I left them behind. There were two, actually. And some really pretty blue glasses there. Look like champagne glasses. That one was a neat, looked like Libby glass, but only one. And another vintage glass there. And then just looking on the bottles here, those cobalt blue and amber bottles were newer bottles. But nothing really that great this go around. So here we are with my haul. I only got a few things and they didn't really have much, but I wanted to show you some stuff. This is not how I'm going to use this piece. It is wood, and my daughter found it, and she was going to get it for herself to transform into a cool Halloween sign. So she was going to put it back, and so I ended up getting it. But it's going to be really super cute, and I might even put like spikes on the bottom here and set it out in our yard or something, or I might attach it to something else, but it's going to be a cool Halloween sign. Just so you want to make sure to stay tuned during that time period for my thrift flip for that. Oh, and I paid $2 for that sign. Now this is a grommet thing that you put the grommet inside there, and then you squeeze it together on fabric or leather, whatever, and you can make like rivets and stuff on your clothing. I've been wanting to find one, and they're so expensive to buy, and I just needed it for, once in a while. So I paid $1 for that one. So I thought that was a cool old thing. Then I have this cute little planter. I paid 75 cents for it, and I have a little bit bigger one that is blue, and it matches it perfect. I don't really care if it has this little chip here. See it? I didn't really care because it matched my blue one, and I thought it was cute. So that's just for me to keep. And then I found this Las Vegas box after I had found this dice or die. So I picked it up and I'm like, oh my gosh, it's broken. I thought it was broken right there, but it sits that way. So it's pretty cool, like it's rolled, like somebody rolled it. And it's all crystal. And then it says Las Vegas in it. I don't know if you can see that. It's hard to tell. There we go. It says Las Vegas. And then later I found the box that goes to it, and I paid $1.50, I think, for it. Might have been $1. It was printed over a couple times. But I'm gonna put that for sale. It's probably worth about $15 to $20. So then I found this knife sharpener. It's from the Food Network. I paid $1 for it. I've been needing a knife sharpener for the kitchen. I'm just gonna touch that up a little bit if I want to leave it out, but otherwise it might just be in a drawer somewhere and it won't matter. But we did need a knife sharpener, so I picked that up. Then I have this bottle. It's has the little clasp here, and it's a Geyer type bottle. It's old, and I've sold one before. I think I sold it for $20. So I picked this one up to put on my Etsy, and it's $1.50 is what I paid for it. So I thought that was a cool find. Then there's this other one. It's smaller, if you can tell. I'll show you here. It's smaller than that one. It is still older because this is ceramic. It doesn't say anything. I paid the same price, $1.50. It doesn't have a name or numbers on it. So that one's, I don't know, maybe 12 to 15, but I'll have to research it a little bit more. But I know the ceramic tops are worth more. Then my daughter had this, or found this for me. It's a cute little frame. Doesn't have the back, but I could find something to put on the back there. But I sew, so I thought that was a really cute sewing machine frame. Just super cute. I don't know. I just picked it up, and I think I paid $1. Then I came across this frame. I haven't seen a square one like this. It's $1.50. It's like from the 60s or 70s. It's really sentimental to me because my mom used to have the 5x7 ones, and then the tiny ones, little ones, for like a wallet size frames back when I was little. But I've never seen a square one, so I thought that was pretty cool to pick up. Then I picked up this. I thought this was really cute and would be cute in the kitchen just to sit somewhere. I could sell it. I paid $1.50. I think I looked them up and they were going for about $15, maybe a tiny bit more, but cute picture on it instead of words. But it's really heavy wood, and I just thought it was super cute. So I got that for a thriftlet. Then I came across this cute candle holder. It's like a rustic kind of primitive type thing, and I've picked one up before that's bigger than this, a taller one. So I'm going to sit it next to it with my stuff at Christmas and put some rustic looking candles in it. I just thought it was really cute. And the other one was darker wood, so I'm going to stain this wood darker to match the other one. So I thought it was super cute. I think it was $1 because I didn't have a price, so I think I paid $1. And then these cute, they're made with shells. They're Hawaiian, and they're leis, and have these neat looking shells and beads on them. And they're vintage. These two are. I think this is vintage too. It was all together, laying together. But these go for about $20, if not more, on eBay and Etsy. And I paid $1 a piece for them. So I'm going to try to list them. And then this is just like seashells, but it is still vintage, and I think I might be able to get like 10 to 15 out of that one. But I thought those were really pretty, especially for the price. Then I picked up this base, wood base with metal on it, and I paid $2 for this. But it is the base of like a tiered tray stand. It's supposed to have two other tiers that are smaller, you know, gradually getting smaller. But I thought it would be really neat as just a riser somewhere, and cover this up with like a doily, or even just put something in the center to go around it. But I really liked the rustic look of it, and so I just picked it up. I could even paint this if I wanted to match anything else that I had. And then there was this frame. It's on a stand, it doesn't bend, and it's really neat looking, and it's $1, and it's supposed to have the, you know, the cardboard or wood piece in the back so you could put a picture in it, but I liked it the way it was because I have like chalk couture stuff that you can put a saying or a picture on it and take it off, wash it off and change it off if you want something different. So I thought that would be a really cute one to put in my kitchen. I need to fix up, you know, a few of the dings, but I might even paint the frame. I'm not sure, but it's another DIY project. I thought was a neat one. And lastly is this super cool, beautiful bowl. It is really vintage. I think it is maybe 50s or 60s, and it is a USA McCoy brand, and I only paid $2 for that, and that is going to be worth like $25 to $30, maybe more. So that's my haul. I hope you had fun coming along with me. It was sure fun going with my daughter. It's been a while since we've gone shopping, so it was super nice. And I hope that you like the items I picked up. Let me know down below what you think, and come back for those thrift flip videos on some of these things that I picked up to redo. And also I have some other crafting videos coming up for different DIYs that I plan on bringing to you, and hope that you will enjoy those as well. So if you haven't yet, subscribe now and come back for more. I hope to see you again. Thank you so much and have a great day.